Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a rain test with the Vivitar Skyview video drone. This test will involve two parts. The first one being flying under the rain, and then maybe a couple days after, when the rain would have ceased, we'll fly it again and see how it performs. So let's go. Actually, it's flying really well, stable, given the weather. It doesn't seem to be bothered by it. Yeah. So we will do a full maybe 5, 6, 7 minutes flight under these conditions, and then hopefully it survives, which I pretty much think it will. Yeah, pretty stable. Let's hover a little bit for some few seconds. All right. Matter of fact, I like this drone, but as everyone knows, those who have been following me, they would pretty much testify to the fact that I've always preferred the Vivitar AeroView video drone to the Skyview, even though the Skyview seems to be an upgrade. But the AeroView has some kind of nimbleness to it that really interests me. I have a much better likeness, if you will, for the AeroView because of that. It responds perfectly to the remote control. And the Skyview, on the other hand, it will respond, but it is a little bit slower. Not the speed. The Skyview has 3 speeds, so I can always increase the speed, but it responds quite a little bit slower to control compared to the AeroView. Let's get a closer look. Yeah, you see it's pretty much wet. And stable still. Yep, let's have some fun. Let me increase the speed now. Oh no! Oh no! Oh Lord! As soon as I increased the speed, it took off on me. Oh my God! I should have been more careful. I hope nothing is broken. Oh no. Yep, it has 3 speeds, and I just moved it to the next level, and it just took off. I hope everything is all right. Let us try to take off again and see. Hopefully everything is fine and nothing is broken. It looks fine on the outside, but mechanically or electronically, let's hope everything is okay. Oh yeah, it took off. Pretty stable. Oh Lord. That would have been a terrible one. That's why it's always good to be careful when flying and changing commands. Yeah. Yeah, everything seemed to be okay. Up, down. This is a pretty good test right here. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, let's do another return to home. Let's see what it does. Okay, came back. Yep, hovering. Quite a few feet from where it took off from, which is not bad though. It came back, given that it just had a crash and it's flying in the rain. So let's fly a little bit more. Oh yeah, I actually like flying it with a higher speed level. As opposed to flying it when it's at its lowest speed. Yep, seems to be okay. Oh yeah. The rain is intensifying. Alright, let's do another return to home. And hopefully it comes back. Oh yeah, it did. Yeah. Okay, this was a fun one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, give me your thoughts. If you have any thoughts that you would like to see, let me know and I'll be happy to make a video for you. Thank you for watching and see you guys on my next video. Adios.